So I've been using these DJI Flip intelligent flight batteries for the past 3 months, and they've been absolutely rock solid. I typically fly twice a day, sunrise and sunset, and they've held up well throughout everything that I've thrown at them. Each one gives me about 20 minutes of flight time, so even with a lot of movement for hyperlapses and quick tracking shots, it adds up to a solid hour in the air before I rotate through my set of 3 batteries. The batteries take about an hour and a half to charge, so I can easily top them off between flights or while I'm on the move. I've flown with these batteries at altitudes over 9,000 feet in Colorado and in slightly wet conditions, and these batteries have continued to perform without issue. The power delivery stays stable, and the battery readout on the DJI Flip app has constantly been accurate, even in cold or damp weather. The smart battery system also does a great job of managing temperature and efficiency, which gives me the confidence when I'm flying in unpredictable mountain conditions. They hold their charge well too, so they're always ready when I need them. If you're out filming often, especially in variable outdoor environments, these are a must-have. The reliability, quick recharge time, and steady performance make it easy to focus on flying and capturing the shot instead of worrying about power. I would highly recommend them. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.